For your question, what are the first things we usually automate? I think the easiest fast wins that we start with, so companies can see immediate action, are reports, briefings, meeting preparations. These are the easy ones. They are not fancy, not involving any huge AI agent work or anything that is really interesting, but they are really efficient, and we are saving a lot of time. As an example, I worked with a software development company who needed meeting preparation automations for one-on-one meetings. They had 6 different managers and they had several team members. And for preparing for those one-on-one meetings, when you do it, it doesn't feel like a lot of time, right? But in reality, you have to check the meeting notes first before the meeting. You have to prepare the coaching questions. You have to also realize what's important for the team member, where's their career heading, how is motivation going. And then you do the actual meeting. Then you write the summary of that meeting. Or if you have a meeting note taker, then you already have a summary, but then you will have to check that, right? And then again and again and again. So what we did is we built an automation where it checks your calendar, so you don't even have to remember you will have a one-on-one meeting tomorrow. It's going to check your calendar, figure out the one-on-one meeting, figure out who's it with, and then pull all the information on that team member, and then write the coaching question on a set prompt that we built to write the coaching question, figure out what's important, figure out the steps, write the agenda for the meeting, and give you a reminder 24 hours before, and also for the team member so they can prepare for the meeting as well. And then you do the note taker with AI, and then it will take that transcript and then write the summary, and then that will feed into the next one-on-one meeting, right? So then it will just roll on. And with that automation, in a year, we saved close to 900 hours, which is a lot of time that can be spent on value creation in the company, right? So that would be just one example.